Hi, hi, hi. So finally, we are going to unbox something that I have been waiting for almost November, I guess. November ending or beginning of the December 2025. So, no need to waste the time. Yep. We got it. So let's just unbox it. Okay, we open it. We have some QR code scan. And then the beautiful drone is here. Wow, it looks very cute. This is DJI Neo 2, by the way. And we have something here. Finally, we have something else too. You can guess if you want to. Okay, let's just close this up. Cute. Get something cool. Hold on, guys. Just falling down. Ah, that's okay. Nothing. Anyways. Okay. This is why I prefer this is very pocket friendly because I am not very much interested in flying drones or anything, but I do like it for certain purposes, just for mini travel content purpose related. So it's good. Let's just open this. Yeah, check this out. We have something, and I know you know what it is. So I don't think I need to go into explanation. It's pretty small. Anyways, let's just keep this aside safely so that it won't be damaged. What we got here, this is a drone, very small one. Oh, still have a little battery left. It's okay. Check this out. It does have antenna and then camera lens cap. This is a camera, by the way. I did not open it yet. We'll see. Let me keep it aside. What else we have? What's this? These are some extra batteries. Oh, extra propellers. What else? Nothing. Cool. I think you know what it is. I did not try with this yet. Probably first it's time to charge everything. Maybe tonight that's the task. I'll charge everything extra. I think this is typical manual, so on tips and so on and so forth. It's fine. Just keep that aside. Oh, this is battery backup. I think this is where we place the batteries and charge it. So, without further ado, we'll start charging it. I think they give Type-C cable here. Sure. Keep it aside for now. So yeah, that's everything we got. Yeah. Okay, that's just unboxing of everything. Let's just go through one more time. What else we got? Whoa. Got this. And the drone part. And this. And also these. Cool. So what I'm gonna do tonight, basically I'll let them charge. I think that's the best thing to do for now, like literally everything. Let everything charge for now. So tomorrow we can test it out a little bit, but not inside though. I need to go around safe spaces, around open spaces, and then try it out. Something like open parks, so on and so forth. Try them out. We'll see. I'm not a professional drone flyer or anything, by the way. This is my first time, so this is purely my experience. Don't expect crazy expert level experience or suggestions regarding this. I am only looking for this because of the design factor and also how small it is and how cool it is in general. So well, let me charge and then we'll catch up about this in future. Peace. Take care.